Do you have DBF files that you need to convert into Excel, CSV, JSON, PDF, SQL Script, MDB, TXT, or other readable formats? Introducing SysTools DBF Converter Tool. Best tool to changing .dbf files into 15+ modern and shareable file formats. Key features of the software. Supports 15+ export formats. DBF file converter compatible with exporting DBF files into 15+ different formats effortlessly. Add files or folder option. Easily add multiple DBF files at once using Add File, or import an entire directory using Add Folder. Handles complex DBF files smoothly. DBF Data Conversion Tool effectively processes even large or complex .dbf files without crashing. Preserves folder structure. Maintains the original folder tree and hierarchy during the DBF file conversion process. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools DBF Converter Tool. Click the top search result that leads to the official SysTools website. On the product page, click the download button. Once downloaded, install the software by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, launch the tool. Once you launch the tool, you'll be greeted with a simple and intuitive interface. Now, let's start the conversion process. There are two options to import files: Add Files and Add Folder. Click the Add Files or Add Folder button to import the database file. Choose your DBF file, whichever you want to convert. Click Open button. After adding files, if you need to remove DBF files, select Remove and Remove All option to remove the selected DBF file. Then, hit on the Next button. In Export options, there are multiple file formats. Choose the required file format in which you need to convert your database file. Just tap on the Maintain Folder Tree option to preserve folder structure. After that, click on the Change button to select the location path. Then, select the desired folder. After that, select the Export button to start the process. And you can see the process has started. After completing the process, a pop-up window will appear on the screen confirming that the export has been completed successfully. Click on the OK button. Now, click on the View Report button. Lastly, you can see your resultant converted DBF file in your chosen file format. And that's it. And that's how you can easily convert your DBF files into multiple formats. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.